On the 23rd of June, my colleague for Lagan Valley asked the Prime Minister whether Article 6 of the Act of Union 1800 had been impliedly repealed when the protocol was approved, the Northern Ireland Protocol was approved by the House of Commons. The Prime Minister answered emphatically no. Last Thursday in the High Court, responding to a case made by the government's lawyers that the Northern Ireland Protocol was not in conflict with the Act of Union because Article 6, which guaranteed equal trade across the United Kingdom, had been impliedly repealed when the Withdrawal Act was passed through the House of Commons. Mr Justice Colton agreed that indeed Article 6 of the Act of Union had been overridden by the passing of the Withdrawal Acts here in the House of Commons. Now here's the point, Mr Speaker. The government's case was approved, presented and argued before the Prime Minister gave the answer to my colleague in the House of Commons. And that answer, therefore, must have been a misleading answer to the House. And I want to know whether the Prime Minister can be called to apologise for that misleading answer, but more importantly, called to outline what action he intends to take to undermine the damage.
I suggest inadvertently.
Inadvertently misled the House. And so I would like to know, can the Prime Minister be called to apologise for inadvertently misleading the House? And secondly, outline what steps he intends to take to undo the damage which the change in the Act of Union has caused constitutionally and economically to Northern Ireland.
Can I first of all say I'm grateful to the Honourable Member for giving me notice of this point of order. The Honourable Member raises the issue of legal interpretation, which are not a matter for the Chair. He will know too that the Speaker is not responsible for Ministers' answers. The Prime Minister and the Minister will have heard the Honourable Gentleman's comments. If the Prime Minister believes his answer requires a correction, there are a process by which one can make this happen, although he may take a different view to the Honourable Member about the facts of the case. In any event, the Honourable Member has put his point on the record, and I am sure he will find other ways of pursuing this. I don't think this is the end of the matter for now, but it is just for this moment.